Hello friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to tell you how to trade your LBC credits on Bittrex and Upbit without documents. We know that both Bittrex and Upbit are huge exchanges, but both need full KYC/AML documents verification. And some people may have issues to pass it or do not want to do it. So in this video I am going to tell you about Bittrex/Upbit alternative, no KYC, VCC exchange. Now in this exchange you can trade almost all coins, only those few coins are missing that mostly nobody cares of. Here you can trade LBC, Steam, BTS, EOS and all other major coins including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin and else. Now the great thing about this exchange is that when you register your account here, you get shared books of Upbit/Bittrex on all coins with no documents. Now VCC exchange is launched on May 19, 2019 and it is a centralized exchange that is based in Singapore, operates in Vietnam. It features crypto to crypto and VND to crypto trading, and it is supported in web, iOS and Android applications. Now this exchange is backed by Signum Capital and Axiom Associate Capital. Now trading LBC coin here is pretty simple. Just register your account on this exchange, then go to your funds and click on deposit coin. Then you need to select a coin, click on this drop down menu, write in LBC and LBRY credits pops up. Click on it and exchange automatically creates your LBC deposit address. Just copy the address, go back to your app, click on your wallet, then click on send credits. Simply paste your recipient address here, enter the amount of LBC credits and click on send. After 30 network confirmations, you will receive your LBC coins in this exchange. Now in order to buy LBC coin, you need to click on exchange and search for LBC/BTC pair. Here is LBC/BTC, simply click on it and a page like this will show up. In order to buy LBC, you need to have BTC, ETH or USDT in this exchange, and then you can buy LBC with BTC, ETH or USDT. Their withdrawals are also instant. In order to withdraw your coins, simply click on funds, then click on withdraw coin, select your coin. Let's suppose I select LBC. You can see from here you can withdraw as minimum of 0.08 LBC. Then you need to enter your LBC withdrawal address here. You can get your withdrawal address from your LBRY app. Go to your wallet and simply click on your address. In this way the app provides you your LBRY address. You can use this address to receive your LBC. Simply copy the address, go back to the exchange, paste your address here, enter the amount of LBC. And their transaction fees is also very low. You can see here only 0.02 LBC is the withdrawal fees. Then simply click on submit. And after a few minutes, you will receive your LBC credits in your app. So guys, this is the Bittrex and Upbit alternative for you in shape of VCC exchange. I hope you really like this exchange because here we need no KYC, no AML, no documents verification. And we also able to trade LBC credits in a most profitable way. So guys, enjoy this as New Year's present, and if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to support and follow me. See you soon in a new video. Goodbye.